Hi everyone, this week on Friction Friday we have the 2019 through 2026 International CV515. When working with medium-duty trucks like the CV515, consistency and reliability are critical. Under heavy loads and repeated braking, components need to deliver dependable performance every time. DFC's 5000 series advanced brake pads and GeoSpec coated rotors are engineered to OE specifications, providing stable pedal feel and controlled stopping across high-duty cycles. GeoSpec coated rotors help protect against corrosion from moisture, road salt, and debris, supporting longer service life. OE-specific designs ensure proper fitment and efficient installation, helping technicians reduce downtime. Whether in fleet, construction, or municipal use, DFC braking components help the CV515 stay dependable where it matters most. Available individually or as complete all-in-one brake kits, DFC components give distributors flexibility while helping service teams complete jobs efficiently. DFC proudly supports the 2019 to 2026 International CV515 with a complete braking solution, pads, rotors, and hardware engineered for durability, reliability, and OE-level performance. If you missed this week's Must-Have Monday email, connect with your DFC sales rep or visit dynamicfriction.com to download the full sell sheet organized by make and model. And as always, stay tuned for next week's Friction Friday to see what we're launching next.